Introducing the 2025 CR18P EVO V2 rock van and convoy pickup truck. With returning features such as portal axles, a full metal gear drivetrain, a 2-speed mechanical gearbox that can be shifted from the transmitter, counter-rotating rear drive shaft to minimize torque twist, full metal geared transmission for the gearbox in the front and rear axle, CV axles up front, full-time four-wheel drive, a 5-degree skid plate with anodized metal chassis rails, multiple shock and link mounting positions, LED lights in the front and rear, Fly Sky 4-channel radio system, waterproof electronics, worldwide parts availability, 2S LiPo battery included with charger, and over a dozen optional and upgrade parts already available. The CR18P EVO V2 also features big bore threaded oil-filled shocks, a servo-on-axle setup, HD drive shafts with increased diameter for greater strength, counter-rotating rear drive shaft to reduce torque twist, 1.5 millimeter stub axle pins and hexes, high visibility graphics with a painted finish and clear windows, large wheel well openings for added clearance, a full-length roof rack with integrated high visibility LED light bar on the rock van, a hinged body with hidden body clips, and they are winch ready. With a 180 size brushed motor and a 600 milliamp 2S LiPo battery, these trucks are ready to take anything you want to throw at them. Available with all new liveries and paint schemes, you will not be disappointed with the looks of these trucks. Coming stock out of the box, the CR18P EVO V2 comes factory with extreme steering angles, and all available for $129.99.